$100. We still out, so we now grab bag and chain.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I order them. Mama.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. You know that me say, respect our manners. This is the notorious Outlaw.
Manners and prayers.
Yes,
it's your girl Deezer. Welcome back.
I take it up on the streets at Falmouth Trelawny, Bendon Market. A regular thing every Wednesday something. Everybody know about it. The world know about this Falmouth thing on a Wednesday. So we're going to take you over there.
So it's every Wednesday, and what's it called?
Bendon Market.
Bendon Market.
Every Wednesday market. Bendon Market. That is every Wednesday in Falmouth. People from all over Jamaica come to this market.
Babe, you have a little bit of history. You're not telling the people. How do you know about this market?
I used to sell here, you know, I was...
When you was a lot younger?
Yes.
In your teenage years?
That's something there when you look at you with a jump around, and I used to sell clothes and shoes and these things, slippers and them, something.
So where did you sell? You used to sell here at Falmouth, Bendon Market on Wednesday. Where else did you used to sell?
That was like 6 days a week.
Yeah.
Mondays in Kingston, Tuesdays in Linstead, Wednesdays in Falmouth, Thursdays we find somewhere to go.
Yeah.
And on Friday we go to Ochi Market, and on Saturday we go Brownstown.
Wow.
Sunday back home.
Okay.
6 days a week.
So you was literally traveling the island, different markets, selling things.
Right around Jamaica.
Okay, so you're well familiar with Bendon Market then.
That's the whole point of it.
Okay. How many years was it since you've been back here?
Oh.
A long time.
Good while now, you know.
Yeah.
So I've not really know the market leave from this and come here, so.
Yeah.
Right?
It's changed location.
Right,
yeah.
It's got up the road more.
Yeah.
But
so,
you know,
yeah.
sometimes change. Yeah, maybe all these times I was slept in sound, or maybe studio owner or something back in Kingston.
Yeah.
So a lot of things can be done during the process of that time.
Lots of changes. So this is my first time to Bendon Market. And so yeah, I don't know what to expect. I think, do they sell like everything?
Everything selling at market.
Okay, clothes, shoes, food, everything.
Food, the whole works, everything selling right at the market. Yes.
Okay guys, so let's go and see what Bendon Market is about. You
Going
ever
over
take it
there.
with us?
Follow us. African dress.
Jesus, hot.
I'm going to tell you, chilling is hot. Real hot.
Bills Blues. Panty $100, 3 panty $100, Bentley 2 and 3. Shoes and slippers of $500, shoes and slippers $500. Any clothes that hang up under the apron, that's a 3, 4, 5. Any panty $100, any color, any style. I don't know nothing about a selling and give me a moment. Any panty I take up $100, my stops are $150. My stops are $2 bills $100, better days are come. Better days are come. Father God. Father God. God. All we know now go away and keep up Falmouth market. All we know now go away and keep up Falmouth market. Big up Bobby and people them. Big up Bobby and people them. Big up Toil, Monty and people them. We out there and do it down. Any party $100. Brazil 200. Redman, big up yourself. I hear you this. Better days are come my way. Better days are come. Remember me telling the youth to go boss. The youth are off the boss. Redman anyway they pick up yourself. Better days are come my way. Any party $100. We still also we not grab bag and trade. And we not trade the old people and grab them bag. We do the right thing out there. Any party $100.
Some water and say a prayer and hope say me live. This is the morning like I'm making a wrong choice. But me and let the eye tell them me everything now all we just below the surface. Notes, witness inside, only if you not search it. $100 bag chips. Them chips are hot. Them wanted. 100 toothpaste. Them chips are wanted.
Where's the mama?
They were wanted.
Chillax and relax. You don't know, sir. DJ not represent for the girls them. And we are sell out the thing them. You see me? Yeah, we are selling a full month. Give me 500.
So we are featuring what?
Big up on the set YouTubers, because we don't know, say, we're out here juggling. He's a phone technician, so you can link up on the Instagram. And the YouTubers also, Nakia, Bowley. Just check we out on it. We are phone technician, you know? Yeah, so bless up.
Man of them prayer.
Yeah.
The whole thing rearranged. All these buildings never used to be around.
Yeah, so
them
back in the
newly
day
put
when you
in.
used to
Nah,
think it
them
wasn't
wasn't here. New thing in Falmouth right now. The gas station is new. 2 gas stations across the road. There are new gas station put up. That wasn't here all the while. Over there, yes, all these buildings put up. That one was there. That
yellow
building,
one?
yeah, that one was
That was there from
yeah,
ever
that,
since.
yeah. But these the gas station last put up. And that building across the road on the right,
Yeah.
Champions.
Our Champion Supermarket.
Yes, that wasn't there.
Oh.
No, that wasn't there.
So it's developed a lot
So
since you last.
yes, the Falmouth take that small development going. Very small one, but it look good. The KFC wasn't here. No.
People, I always say, ackee and saltfish is not Jamaica's national dish. KFC is Jamaica's national dish, because if you ever see the line for KFC, especially on a Friday,
Longer than cash pot.
longer than cash pot.
Let me tell you, I never see this.
Yeah. this is the old town.
Yeah,
Falmouth.
the old town. Falmouth, the old town.
Okay.
Yes.
Like this building, it looks like it's been there for ages. It's just.
See, they have different, every different type of flag up there. See that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look up see everyone up there.
Look if I see my people. Do you hear this? He's telling me, can I see all the flags? I must look and see if I see my flag. Yes, babe. I see the Jamaican flag. I see it.
Respect our manners.
So what flag? Which flag are you talking about?
Pardon me?
What flag was you talking about?
Your flag.
What is my flag?
Did that you just say a while ago?
Jamaican flag.
Yeah.
You sure you wasn't talking about the other flag?
So, you were looking for something else?
Well, I am a dual citizen.
Yeah, so you have two. You're supposed to have two up there.
But there's only one of my flag up
So
there.
that is your flag.
There's no British flag up there.
But that's the foolishness, you know.
No British flag, people. Look.
Yeah, Jamaican flag. British flag up there, but it's small.
Is it?
Some small. I don't know why I'm
small.
that.
Yeah.
But you know, if your flag is supposed to be off the flag in our country. Look at that. So town's there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so everything in the back down that side there.
Okay. So it's a little bit of the town.
Yeah.
It's a little bit of it.
It's on the right hand side around the second.
Oh, okay.
I guess they say, yeah.
People, look, Tesco. Oh my gosh.
Tesco.
For those people in the UK, you'll know, Tesco is a big supermarket. There's a chain of them all over the UK. So imagine I come to Jamaica and see a Tesco. It's this building. This looks interesting.
That to the left there?
Yeah. I'm not sure what it
I think it's a courthouse.
Do you think?
I think it's a courthouse, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the courthouse.
Oh. Looks very traditional. The courthouses always look traditional. That's what I. Falmouth Courthouse, yeah.
Yeah, that's the courthouse.
That's what I realised. They always look very traditional. Like they've been there years. Okay. The ship here?
The ship here, what I see over there.
Oh, okay. Of course, there are no ships now, obviously, with pandemic and so.
Yeah, so over that side, the ship here, that side. And this is the older part of Falmouth, old road. Older part of Falmouth is right
This is the old
here.
road, so this here says, you can see, welcome,
Back road in Falmouth.
historic Falmouth, Jamaica.
Yeah.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.